Participants in the case filed into Judge Walter Hoffman's courtroom this morning to hear an immediate motion for adjournment. Attorneys for both sides indicated that a private settlement might be quickly reached. Hoffman granted that recess, but only after scolding both parties for what he called acting like a bunch of grammar school children. When court reconvened at 2 this afternoon, however, no solution had been reached, and the testimony, cross-examination, and re-examination of what could be as many as 20 witnesses began. OSHA has charged company officials with deliberately obstructing its current massive safety inspection of the Newport News facility. And agency inspectors took the stand this afternoon to relate instance after instance in which they were prevented from checking equipment, taking samples, talking to yard employees, or even denied the use of telephones. An unidentified department source told us that OSHA often goes into court to enforce code compliance or to request that an inspection warrant be upheld, but that instances in which contempt charges are filed are rare. The company, of course, has filed charges of its own, claiming that OSHA is creating the problems. But most of its cross-examination today of government witnesses seemed to indicate a deep concern that many of the yard employees wanting to talk to OSHA representatives were steelworkers. Martha Graham, Area 10 Eyewitness News.
The Occupational Safety and Health Administration had several more witnesses lined up to testify at today's session. The government agency is attempting to prove that Newport News Shipbuilding Company has interfered with a massive safety inspection at the shipyard. OSHA claims it began the inspections following complaints from members of the United Steelworkers, the union representing most shipyard employees. At today's hearing, a safety engineer for the yard told the court that the company did not give her orders to block the massive wall-to-wall safety inspections. But Marcia Davis did say that she would not allow OSHA inspectors to interview certain employees without first getting permission from their supervisors. OSHA says that this was a standard practice for all employees, and its inspections were held up in the process because of it. OSHA is seeking to have the yard cited for contempt, and in a counter petition, the shipyard claims that OSHA has been working with the steelworkers to damage the yard's reputation. And Judge Hoffman adjourned today's hearing at noon. It will continue in court Monday morning. Tony Rawls, Area 10 Eyewitness News.